Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 730 Star Drop opening. If you guys didn't know, 365 times 2 is 730, so this is the first day roughly of the second year of Star Drop openings. Again, can't believe it's been this long. I'm still rather behind on uploads, but again, I'm gonna catch up on that soon. Hopefully you guys will be pretty happy about it once you see it as well, but again, should be normal star drops, so let's get right into it.
Super rare.
So, starting off with super rare 50 power points, rare 25 power points, a rare 50 coins, so not too great of an opening unfortunately, but I still have the daily streak, day 111 with the fortune. You can't choose your family, but you can choose your club. Again, this one is incredibly out of pocket here. I guess if you haven't joined a club, join a club. Insert that meme where you're joining a club. But anyway, in the mode selection for today, as you guys can see, again, still uploading a recording. Pretty late that is, so just have the, I want to say it's pronounced Mariano Kit skin challenge, so I'm gonna have to do that as well. We also have Hypercharge Unleashed. Again, I guess I can't really show the maps there, but again, it is solo showdown. I still have to do my Mega Pig, but again, I swear last time it ended on Tuesday, and now it's ending on Wednesday. It's nearly lasting an entire week. I think it's only like 6 days, but it's still a lot longer than it was before. I'm not exactly sure why, but again, not too many excuses not to complete the Mega Pig now. So we have Brawl Arena, Arena of Glory, Solo Showdown Plus Waveform, Knockout 5v5, Brawler Verse, Knockout H4, nothing really too special besides that. So again, I'm gonna have to do the Mariano Kit skin challenge. So starting off with Volleyball Block Party. Again, it's just very tough to determine what the best brawlers are. Again, I'm sure there's guides, but I'm just gonna jump into it. Again, it's 3 losses. If I have to pay a few gems, it's not that big a deal. Obviously, I prefer not to, but hopefully we can get through it without any losses, or at the very least not having to pay gems. But again, I'm going to look at it for a little bit and then decide which brawler will hopefully be best, but let's see how it goes. Alright, on to the first win. Got a star drop, rare 50 coins. Again, unfortunately we have taken a loss already, but again, Primo just feeding supers. He, for some reason, just thought he could tank everything and still survive. Again, hopefully we can make it through without any more losses. I'll be on to the next map. Alright, we're back with the third win. That was super rare, 100 coins. And again, unfortunately, I did end up taking, I think it was about 4 losses. I already had to buy 2 retries. The first one was 5 gems, and the next one was even less at 4 gems, which again is pretty cheap, but it's still, again, you don't really get free gems, so it's still at least 9 gems. Again, I didn't take any losses on Wipeout. It's just, for some reason, against an uncommon map for most players, or mode for Volley Brawl, they just don't seem to know what they're doing. They'll all, again, I'm playing Gale, so I'm trying to rush onto their side to put down the tornado so they just can't get to the ball after using the super. But my team is also rushing up at the same time, and if I don't make it, there's just no one on our side to get the ball if they get there. And again, just other strange brawler picks. But again, I still think it should be pretty easy to get to the end now. Not playing actually decent modes. I don't think Wipeout or Dodgeball will be so bad, but again, let's keep going. Alright, seamlessly on to win number 5. Super rare, 100 coins, no more losses. But again, I also saw comments about this on YouTube already, and again, unfortunately, it seems to be true, and it makes this so ridiculous because this is a challenge with losses. But if you guys aren't aware, there's a very strange glitch where when you lose all your health in dodgeball, you're supposed to get stuns. For some reason, I don't know what causes it exactly. You'll lose all your health, and the health will just reset without any stun. And this means if you throw the dodgeball at the brawler, you just don't get a point for it. Again, it's very strange. My strategy, again, I'm using the same strategy I had before this glitch was even a thing, is basically get one kill and then hoard all the dodgeballs in the corner. Again, I don't know how the teammates feel about that necessarily. They're usually kind of triggered that I do that, but it always works. It still works here, apparently. I don't know if it depends on which team you're on, how the glitch works again exactly. But the other team wasn't able to score a single point, so I don't know if that's just us playing well or the fact that the glitch made so that they couldn't. But anyway, again, I should be able to seamlessly win this next match, so let's see what happens. Alright, so we're back with the final win of the challenge. I get 100 bling, and the, again, I believe it's called Mariano Kit skin.
Thrilled to be here, really.
So I will show you guys, again, I did have taking one more loss, but it didn't really matter since I already paid the gems for it anyway. Again, just bad randoms. But and that last match there in the first match on dodgeball, again, they'd keep depleting my health, but I just wasn't getting stunned. So I was just sitting there holding the ball. It didn't really seem to matter. It's an incredibly broken glitch there, unfortunately. So hopefully you guys are aware of it before you play it again. By the time I upload this, is gonna be way after anyway. But I still just have to do my Mega Pig and then ranked for the week. And then again, I'm still considering getting the, again, so I keep saying the meow 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 offer, but I'll probably end up getting them. Again, I really just don't want to spend the 60 gems, but I feel like I might as well. So we have Rogue Mortis on a discount. Again, $14 for, again, mostly power points. Who needs more power points? I just can't understand these offers. But today I have a daily freebie of 60 XP doublers and 10 power points. Gotten a lot of power points today. But again, I don't think anything else too special is going on here. So as of today, I have 13,576 XP doublers and 163,518 power points. Again, hopefully you guys had better luck with the challenge. From what I saw in the comments, most people end up spending around 15 gems on the challenge. Even if they were good players, it was mostly just because of that weird glitch on Dodge Brawl. Again, the main strategy is, regardless if there's a glitch or not, is you get one kill or hit with the ball, and then you just hoard the ball, how many ever there are in your corner, and you just win. It's a little ridiculous, but it usually works. Again, as long as your teammates are cooperating. If they just go throw the balls back out, it obviously doesn't work, and that's mostly why we lost the second Dodge Brawl match. But anyway, and hopefully you guys have done your Mega Pig, and hopefully you're getting a good hypercharge from your Hypercharge Unleashed challenge. And the last thing I'll show off is there are 3 more quests that just came out for playing any type of showdown. Again, I do have to get quite a bit of trophies. Only have about 4 days to get about, I believe it would be 2,500 trophies, so I have quite the grind to go. But again, hopefully you guys are already significantly closer to getting your Ultra Legend. Well, yeah, I can never remember what these trophy box levels are called, but Ultra, I want to say Ultra Legendary trophy box, whatever it is, the highest tier. Hopefully you guys are closer to getting it. But other than that, again, we made it to 2 years, and let's see how far we can take this, guys.